Why forests are awesome. Forests are amazing places with lots of trees, plants, and animals. Let's see why they're so special and what might happen if they all went away. Air friends. Trees in forests help make the air we breathe nice and clean. They take in yucky stuff called carbon dioxide and give out fresh air called oxygen. Without forests, there wouldn't be enough oxygen for us to breathe. Animal homes. Lots of animals, like squirrels, birds, and bears, live in forests. If the forests disappeared, these animals wouldn't have anywhere to live. They might feel sad and lost. Water helpers. Forests are like big sponges that soak up rainwater and keep our rivers and lakes clean. If forests disappear, the water might get dirty, and there could be floods. Weather friends. Trees and forests help keep the weather nice and cool. Without forests, the weather might get too hot, and we could feel very sweaty and uncomfortable. Yummy treats. Forests give us yummy things to eat, like juicy fruits and tasty nuts. They also give us medicines that help us feel better when we're sick. If the forest disappeared, we might miss out on these treats. Fun adventures. Forests are super fun places to play and explore. We can go hiking, have picnics, and see all sorts of cool things. If the forest disappeared, we wouldn't have as much fun outside. So forests are super duper important for us and all the creatures on Earth. That's why we need to take good care of them and make sure they stay happy and healthy.